Hi there, this is Andy from Skilz4umedia, bringing the latest reviews, tutorials and creative experience online. And today I'm going to be teaching you some new origami skills. So make sure you like the video, share the content and subscribe to our channel. Let's give it a go. Why hello everybody, and welcome back to Skilz4umedia. And today we're going to be making an Origami Elasmosaurus. So this is going to be quite a challenging one. So first of all, we're going to start off with our usual square piece of paper. This piece of paper is 20 centimeters by 20 centimeters, which I've made out of A4 paper. So first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to fold over your A4 piece of paper, or square piece of paper, just like that. I'm going to turn it round. So from here, we're going to fold this in towards the middle and making a kite shape. I push down firmly on the sides, just like that, and exactly the same on the other side. So what we're going to do now is we're just going to fold this over in towards the middle, just like that, taking extra care to make sure we have a nice sharp point on that left hand side, pushing down nice and firmly, just like that, and do exactly the same on the other side. Everybody's doing an excellent job so far. So hopefully your shape looks like that so far. Good job. So I'm going to open this out and go fold it back on itself. So as you can see, I open it out, I fold it back, and do exactly the same thing. I've got to watch that point there. Just like that. Good job. Turn it around the other direction. Do the same thing on the other side. Folding it back on itself. So our shape hopefully looks something along those lines. So I'm just going to turn it around this direction. And I'm going to take this part here and find this edge and match it with the middle. Just like that. And do the same thing exactly on the other side. Okay, so these are kind of going to be the feet. I take this edge here, or point here, I'm going to open this out, just like that. And what I'm trying to do is fold that over, finding the point, so it looks something along those lines there. Like that. And repeat on the same side on the other side. So from here, just open this out, just opening up this edge here, just finding the point here, pushing down firmly. As I do that, just push into the paper. Now we've got to do the bottom part as well. So I'm going to repeat that down below. I'm just going to fold this bottom part in towards the middle, like that, and also repeat exactly onto the other side. Great job. Okay, so from here, this part here, what I'm going to do is just open up this section here, and again I'm trying to find the middle point there, folding it over, so there's going to be another foot there, just like that. Do exactly the same on the other side. So I'm just taking this part here, I'm just lifting that up, pushing that in, just find that point. So I'm just manipulating with this part section here. Great job. And so far, hopefully your shape looks something along those lines there. Okay, awesome stuff. Okay, so from here we're going to fold this over, just like that. So already it's taking shape. So from here we have the neck part, the feet, and this will be the tail. So these legs here, what I'm going to do is going to fold it back on itself, just like that, pushing down firmly. I'm going to repeat the same on the other leg, folding back, following a nice line there. I turn it over, repeat on the same here. So what I'm doing here is I'm taking this part and just finding the vertical line here. Just fold it back on itself, trying to match the other sides, and the same thing with the feet there. Just to top that off, what I'm going to do is just turn it back on itself, just like that. And what you could do, you could actually fold it inside, but I'm going to leave that. Do the same thing on the other side. Good stuff. So just checking, make sure it actually stands up. How are we doing there? Great job. Okay, so neck. We're just going to fold this. So I'm going to make a horizontal line so the neck sticks up exactly like that. Hopefully your folds are a little bit better than mine, because I probably could have done a better job with the point up here. I'm just going to open this up and fold it back on itself on the inside. Pushing down firmly, just like that. Just tidying up, pushing down. Okay, so hopefully your shape looks something along those lines. Otherwise, you can always rewind it. That's the great thing about YouTube and social media. Okay, so let's do the head. So from here, I just fold it back, just like that. Kind of looks like too beakish. So what I'm going to do is just fold that inside, just like that. And then I'm just going to hide the beaky part. So what I do is just make a, as you can see there, I'm just pushing it back on itself like that. Now that looks messy, doesn't it? So what I'm going to do, I'm just opening the top and hiding it inside. And there you go. That is pretty much your completed Apatosaurus. So any dinosaur would not be complete without its standard googly eye. So you can get these from any kind of like hobby craft place or any kind of craft store. They're very cheap. So what you do is just go and put a little bit of glue on the top there, just like that. Stick it on, and hey, there you go. So I think everybody's done an excellent job. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to Skills4umedia, and hopefully I'll see you soon. Thank you very much.